Cold light on the morning where her dreams used to live. A house full of quiet with nothing left to give. She's lost in the shadows of the life they couldn't grow. He's holding on beside her, but he can't reach her soul. Two hearts barely beating, too tired to pretend, but love has a strange way of leading you home again. And we found love again where we didn't expect, in a place full of cages and souls they've forgotten to protect. He looked up with those eyes like he'd been waiting all this time. Oh, we found love again when we thought our hearts had reached the end. He was left there abandoned, just a number, just a name. But the moment that they saw him, something shifted, something changed. They carried him home gently, wrapped in blankets, wrapped in grace. And somehow in his presence, light returned to every space. Sometimes healing whispers in the smallest, softest forms, and a broken heart remembers how to feel safe and warm. Yes, we found love again when we opened up our hands, when we chose a wounded soul who helped us learn to stand. Love returned in quiet ways, taught us how to face each day. Oh, we found love again, and this time it stayed. Because sometimes